How to add videos on Tinder. If any day you would like to add videos on your very Tinder account but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Tinder application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on the very search icon of your mobile device, search Tinder out there, and launch the Tinder application. If not so, you can manually search the Tinder application on your mobile device as well. After you find the Tinder application on your mobile device, you have to tap on the very Tinder application. After you tap on the very Tinder application, Tinder will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to the profile section that is in the down portion and tap on the profile section out there. So after you tap on the very profile section in the down portion, you can see the interface of your profile. Now you have to go to the pencil icon on the top and tap on the pencil icon on the top. After you tap on the pencil icon on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the plus like icon there and tap on the plus like icon. Now you have three options out there: upload photo, upload loop, and capture from the camera. Since we are going to upload videos on our very Tinder account out there, now we have to tap on the option of upload the loop and tap on upload the loop. After we tap on upload the loop, now we can see the various kind of videos that are in our very gallery. We can tap on any of the videos that we'd like to upload like this, and after that we can see an interface like this. Now we have to go to the option of next and tap on next. So after tapping on next, we can see an interface like this. Now we have to go to the option of done, and after we tap on the option of the done, the very video will be uploaded on our very Tinder account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.